Alrighty, so we are good. We just did the thermal plant. I think I have a beacon here at the thermal plant entrance. So now I think we need to go over to, let's see, is it data downloads? Codes and clues. So now we need to go to this primary containment facility, which is this one. It is 1.4 kilometers down. I think I already found the location of this because I was at some point going down to a depth of like 1.35 kilometers down. And then that weird alien bug thing appeared on my screen like I was near a different location. I backed out of there and then found this place first because I feel like I probably had to come here first. So now I just need to backtrack and try to find out where that place was. So let's get out of here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we came from this direction. So let's just backtrack. See if we can find that little area. There we go. We just go down there, I think. Let me drink.
Vital signs stabilizing.
Yeah, let's come down here. I think this is what I did. I might have came down here. Yeah, that's what it was. I went to this entrance and then that alien thing came up on my screen. And that's when I bailed out. I'm like, nope, this is too deep for thermal. Let's head back. The last thing we want to happen right now is a teleporter to come over here, teleport me out of this to where this thing falls in lava and pretty much just dies. So what are they? So, oh my lord. No, 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 please, don't. Sir, stop it. Okay, we'll just ride you. It's fine. Can't hit me when I'm in your back. Do we need to do anything with this first? I don't think so. These could be just like power nodes or something weird. Just want to make sure we don't have to activate these before we go off. Doesn't look like it. All right, here we go. I think this is the alien containment facility. We're at 1.4 kilometers. Okay, let's go activate this data download first. Data downloads Enzyme 42 project data. According to translated data logs, an indigenous Leviathan species was found to produce a unique substance referred to as Enzyme 42, which inhibited the symptoms of the Kara bacterial infection and other indigenous organisms. I don't know how to say it. Is that Kara? Or is that Kara? The specimen was captured and contained in purpose-built habitat for further study. Alien researchers went to great lengths to provide for the life form's environmental needs, including the more important interdependent flora and fauna via the on-site warp gate. However, its health quickly deteriorated. When quarantine was imposed, all warp gates and force fields were sealed. All attempts to develop the enzyme into a vaccine have been unsuccessful. So basically, this Leviathan's blood, something in it, can produce some sort of chemical we can use as a vaccine. But then there's the outbreak, so they just abandoned ship. They didn't bother to keep on going with the vaccine, it looks like. So I guess we're either going to find a dead Leviathan and we're going to try to get the vaccine out of it, or we're going to find it still alive or something. Let's head out. All right, now we got all these rooms. How does that hurt? I guess we'll just go around clockwise. Although these all might connect or something. Oh, hey, warp gate. Nice. Curiosity's getting the better of me. Let's see where this goes. Because we can always come right back. It's not a one-time use thing or anything. You know what? I think I found this one before, and I was like, why can't I activate it? We just had to activate it from the other side, I guess. Because where is... Yeah, my base is pretty far. I don't think we'd ever really use that teleporter. I think they just scatter these surface ones around so that way you can get to and from the different bases a lot quicker. All right, so first one on the left is the teleporter. Oh boy, what's this? The heck? Before we do the data download, let's see if we can scan some stuff. Looks like we can't scan anything. Maybe we can scan these pipes. Enzyme host peppers, even the containment facility. Inflow pipe. I mean peppers. Peepers. What am I talking about? But pipes drawing water into the containment facility are filled with peepers arriving from the surface. Fish show no signs of distress. Specimens scanned have all consumed high quantities of seeds and organic materials from the surface. Some specimens are beginning to show signs of infection. So maybe they're using that to bring in infected species so then they can then do the different tests. Let's find out. Ventilation control. Water flowing to and from the primary containment facility is being automatically controlled independently of other safeguards. Data on the water composition has been recorded. Inflow. Water is being drawn from different biomes around the surface of the planet. Those are those alien, those little rectangular vents we keep seeing like underwater. That's what those are. Those are the inflow pipes. Water temperature is considerably lower than the volcanic environment outside the facility, while microorganism and nutrient counts are substantially higher. Outflows. Oxygen-deprived water is being flooded from the system and recycled back to the surface. Got it. All right, next door. Looks like we got 3 on each side, and then the center one that's locked. I'm really hoping we don't need another tablet, because I don't think I have one. Oh, nice. Another warp gate. Let's see where this one goes. Hopefully one of these goes, like, pretty close to my base. So if I do have to go back and make a tablet or something, I just can go. Where is this one? Ooh, this one is close. This one is close to my main base. It's actually kind of like a middle point between both of them, because those bases are like 1,400 meters apart, I think. So the fact that those are like 900-ish away equally means that that's kind of like in between, but maybe like a little north or south or something like that. So that's a great one. I need to make sure I remember that one. It's the door left of the main gate. All right, so this is probably not a warp room then. This is going to be some sort of facility. Oh yeah, this looks like maybe where they did experiment.
Appears to be a biological archive storing more than 40 indigenous egg
Oh my
specimens in
Lord.
different states of development.
Oh, thank God they're not making me scan all these. That would be so annoying and tedious. Data download. See Emperor Leviathan research data. Here we go.
Creating new PDA.
Oh, is that the thing that was shooting stuff at me? It kind of looks like it with these tentacles. Special size categories have been adjusted upward to accommodate this species. Oh my God. Feeding on digestion. Alien research show data indicates that despite its size, the species feeds entirely on microorganisms it filters from the water, which themselves depend on a complicated ecosystem of plant and animal life. Reproduction. Large ovary-like organs are carried in the creature's middle section, suggesting that, like other species on this planet, it produces eggs. However, internal scar tissue indicates probable infertility. Enzyme 42. Emperor manufactures enzyme 42 within its stomach cavity to break down its food, and will occasionally expel it into the surrounding waters. This substance was found to neutralize the effect of the bacterium, and its presence in the ecosystem today would explain how life on this planet survived the outbreak. It would remain to be explained by what mechanism the enzyme is being delivered. Okay, so it seems like this thing just like burps or whatever and releases the enzyme out into the water stream. And that's what's keeping the rest of the life alive and not infected. Health. Comparative analysis of the size and metabolic rates indicates the specimen captured by the researchers was approximately 1,600 years old. Extensive internal and external scar tissue suggests it had lived well in excess of the peak lifespan for its species. Assessment. While a healthy Emperor specimen may have held some potential as a cure, it is unlikely any research subjects survive quarantine procedures. All right. So is this one dead or is it still out there alive? Unknown at this point. All right. So we should have one more warp portal and then we need another blue tablet. And I guess we need to go make that. Unless somehow I just missed picking up a blue tablet somewhere. But my guess is we probably have to go make it. Okay, night. There you go. What else? I guess we could take this back. Oh, I'll just leave it. Why did it crouch down this time? The other time it just stayed standing up and I couldn't reach it. All right. All right, so we're making a beacon and we are making a purple tablet. Personal equipment, blue tablet. All right. All right, Mr. Seamoth. Yeah, let's take it back. Ow. All right, so we'll put a beacon here. Alien containment portal. Let's go. All right, we should be good. 3 bottles of water, 1 nutrient brick, and then we have a med pack just in case. All right, here we go. Pop this tablet in, see what we got. Is that another force field? Big, empty, open room. Not what I like to see. Oh. Let's go this way. I kind of want to dip my toes in just to see if I can go in that. It's not clear though. Like a clear color, so it makes me think maybe we can't go in this. Oh, we can go in it. Oh. This is where they're pumping all the fish and everything from above. Whoa. Oh, this is the thing I see in my visions.
Are you here to play? Others came here once. They built these walls. They played alone. They bored me. Now they're gone. And instead, we have you. We are curious whether you swim with the current or fight against it, as they did.
Lovely. So I'm guessing we're in like a glass box here? Oh no, it just didn't let me leave.
Unlike other alien facilities, scans indicate this location supports a diverse and healthy ecosystem. Explanation unclear at this time.
Is that because this thing is releasing its enzyme in the water? Oh, here we go.
Environment scans indicate the water here is rich with a rare, plankton-like life form which depends on the organic detritus produced by the ecosystem around it.
What is this? We can scan it. Incubator. Oh, it's its eggs. Advanced theories, hatching enzymes. Emperor specimen eggs are attached to some sort of incubator. In a normal life cycle, it seems likely that the sea emperors would have buried their eggs in shallow waters where different organic materials in the soil would have triggered a hatching response. Incubators suggest that aliens had resorted to developing artificial hatching enzymes which would simulate the egg's natural hatching environment, but were unable to discover the formula. With extensive information on the sea emperors themselves, it may still be possible to fabricate an artificial hatching enzyme using indigenous ingredients. However, the only surviving source of that information may be the Sea Emperor itself. Oh, not the right spot. How the heck do we get out? Alright, let's do a self-scan, make sure we're still infected. Yep. Okay. So let's head back to the prawn suit, get a ion cube. Maybe we come through here with the prawn suit. Try it out. Okay. Or can we activate this somehow? Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Insert ion cube. Oh, give me that. And you take that. Okay.
My young need to hatch, to play outside this place. We have been here so long. The others built a passage to reach the world outside. I asked them for this freedom, but they could not hear me. If you help us, I will give you freely what the others tried in vain to take.
Oh, hey, cool. Insert hatching enzymes. Oh, here we go. Gotta scan. See what they need. See Emperor's eggs. Shell. Uncommonly strong shell lining, blah, blah, blah. Alien tube, sac, fetal organism. It's likely the ideal hatching conditions for the eggs vary considerably from ideal survival conditions of the parent. Can I scan you? Hello? Oh. Oh. Hey, thanks. All right. Well, we can use this iron. Good thing we got 2 cubes. We'll see where this goes. What a fish is that? Oh, crayon.
With the passage you have opened, my young can leave this
Hey,
place.
Gary.
But first they must feel the time is right and break free of their shells. This is what the others could not force from me. To you, I give the secret willingly.
Hatching enzymes. There we go. So now we got to make hatching enzymes and give it to these eggs. And then she'll probably give us the cure.
Acquired.
See Emperor life cycle. We'll have to read that. Hatching enzymes. Here we go. Eye stalk seed, sea crown seed, fungal sample, bulb brush sample, ghost weed sample. Oh my god. Question is, like, where do we find all that? All right, where's this go? We're only 167 meters down. Where?
Seek fluid intake immediately.
Where on Earth are we? Is this the containment platform? I don't know if I come out here and if the ship is there, if the roar is right there, then we're at the containment platform. We are at the containment platform. Nice. Okay, so now we have the hard task, semi-hard task of finding all of this life. We're gonna go back in here because maybe we'll see it in there. Because it does let me collect some stuff that's in there. So there's a chance it's all just in there and I need to grab it. And I'm also wondering if because there's that many eggs, I hope I only need to make it once because I just add it to the central console and hopefully it then distributes between all of them. Hopefully I don't need like 4 samples. Sea ground. That's one. That's one. There we go. Aha, sea crown's one. I want to say we have eye stalk at the base. I want to say ghostweed and eye stalk I've seen before. I don't know about bulb bush or fungal sample. I want to say we leave this here. And instead, we go back to the other portal to grab our sea moth to go back to base. Oh, we can just leave this here. Then the first one on the left should be my sea moth. Get back to base, we can eat, do all that. And then we'll drop off the seed we have. Also, now I need to make sure I check all of this. To make sure I don't come across something that I need. There's my sea moth still. Awesome.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
There we go. Here's the bulb bushes. There they are. So I should just be able to cut one of these, right? And get my sample. There we go. That looked like the correct thing. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. Oh my god, there's a ruby right there. It took me forever to find rubies and now I'm just finding them. No, I don't like you. Stay away. Ooh. Rude? Here we go, here we go. This is ghostweed. I was right. Yeah. Go. You know what? Let's go to our outpost. I think I do have some sort of seeds down there. So we can at least see what the heck I put in storage there. So we got 3 of 5. We have sea crown back at base. We have ghostweed and bulb sample with us. So now we need eye stalk and then fungal sample. I don't know what fungal sample would be. Ooh, what are these? This fungal sample, what is this? I don't know if I've ever scanned this stuff. Tree mushroom. So that means I scanned it. It also means I can interact with it. What is this? Oh, hey, fungal sample. Nice. Wow, that was sheer dumb luck. Okay, so now we just need the eye stalk, which is in cave systems, it said. All right, here we go. We've got the eye stalk. Give me that. All right, back to base. About time. And let's grab these seeds out. And we should be able to make hatching enzymes. Let's go. Should only need the one. I'm hoping we only need the one. Oh god.